renovated home here in Engadine, you've got to check out number 2 Orion Street. The property offers some fantastic features. You've got these great oak floors, you've got all your LED lighting, and you've even got an amazing kitchen. You've got to take a look at this one. Got so many rooms in this home, and what I love is that they look out over this beautiful bushland. I'd probably have this as a home cinema room. What do you reckon, Joel?
Nah, man, definitely a gym room.
How good is this backyard for the growing family?
And what I love is just how peaceful it is because we're backing onto the reserve.